Hey, Scott Lara, thecruisegenius.com, coming to you from sunny Jacksonville, Florida. You know what I'm going to talk about. The new Carnival Rewards program. It came out the other day. Carnival's brand ambassador, John Heald, took some questions on it. And, of course, over the weekend, I've been reading a lot of comments from a lot of Platinum and Diamond and other cruisers, all those folks on the Facebook pages, the Carnival VIFP, Facebook pages. I've commented there as well about how to do status match with MSC. I've sailed on MSC 4 times now. My grandkids love MSC. And the number one question I'm getting is, hey Scott, hey what? If we do status match with MSC, are they going to match every single perk that Carnival gives us? No. No, they will not. But I think this is more of sending a message. And I really think when MSC, the IT people, and MSC and the marketing people and the PR people look over the weekend how many people have clicked on the status match, they're going to see a lot of Carnival people doing status match on MSC. And I think MSC is going to get an uptick in bookings. Fact of the matter is, my daughter, son-in-law, my 2 grandsons are going on an MSC cruise, MSC Seashore, the end of July. I really think Carnival has been short-sighted as that car races by. As I was saying, I think Carnival was short-sighted to implement this plan. Now, it was smart. They did this, a year in advance. So, we all could kind of, vent and frustrate and talk and be upset. And maybe they'll make 1 or 2 small changes. I doubt it. Because, quite frankly, it's about the money. And it's precisely what Christine Duffy said. We have too many Platinum. We have too many Diamonds. They don't feel special. Hey, why don't you build a brand new cruise ship, the Carnival Platinum and the Carnival Diamond, and only Platinum people can go on the Platinum and only the Diamond people can go on the Diamond. But anyway, it's just a very sad day, I think, for all of us who have been loyal fans of Carnival over these years. And for people who are middle or lower income, who've taken years to raise themselves to Diamond or Platinum, I hear the word slap in the face. I think it's a pretty good way to describe it. A slap in the face to these people who've spent years being loyal to one brand so they can have some kind of status. And it's not about the laundry. It's not about the free drink. It's not about the perks. It's really about that card. They walk around with it and they feel a sense of pride. So anyway, those are my thoughts. Google MSC status match. Give you all the details to status match you from Holland America, from Carnival, Princess, Celebrity. And again, I really hope that Carnival takes another look at this, because I think they've really made a lot of Platinum and Diamond people mad. The kids, kids who have sailed with their parents and grandparents. I'm going to be Platinum at 10 years old, or I'm going to be Diamond at 12. I get it. The accountants there down in Miami. Oh my gosh, all these children, there's 10, 12, 13 years old, get Platinum and Diamond, and they're going to be that the rest of their lives. I get it. Scott Lara, thecruisegenius.com. Like and subscribe.